welcome to my art space. Today I'd like to show you how to make your dark sweatshirt more original and colorful. This masterclass is suitable for who is not good at drawing. All you need is your favorite colors paints for textile and one white paint, two brushes, one large and one small, and your t-shirt or sweatshirt or whatever. Before start, you must wash your sweatshirt in wash machine. It helps remove water repellent layer, thus paints will be fixed more reliable. And make sure that selected clothes contains at least 16% of cotton. So let's get started. I get a smear of blue paint because I love blue color, put it on fabric and begin moving quickly, like painting little half circles or straight lines. And you'll see the further away I'm painting, the less paint left on the brush. It helps to create a smooth transition from high concentration of paint to low concentration, thus gradient is created. I will call it clouds, and in this way I'm painting different shapes of clouds. In my case I painted like check mark. You can paint everything you want, from shapeless stain to clouds in the shape of heart, for instance. It's very similar to my check mark. The main thing is gradient. And when all clouds are painted, you can paint stars. As you see, I get a small brush for this and just making light brush touches. Some stars are smaller, others bigger. In one region there are more of them than in another region. The less paint left on the brush, the more faded star created, and that's okay. The next type of stars is 8-pointed star. Vertical line is the longest, for example 1.5 centimeters. The horizontal is a little bit shorter, and diagonal ones are even smaller. And the last one is many times circle star with diagonal 1 cm or not bigger than 8-pointed star. But if you want to paint the whole planet, of course you can paint much more bigger. These are my works with planets. If you are interested in it, leave me the comment. Thank you. So here is a set of mechanical movements. You can use different colors, make different size of clouds, do it and make new design. Hope you enjoy it. In next videos I'm telling about sewing and painting on clothes. Subscribe and keep watching. See you!